channel. If you're new here, I'm Derek. I'm a front-end engineer based out of Los Angeles, and in today's video, I'm continuing my series of Method Mondays where I go over every single array method there is in JavaScript. And next up on our list for today, we're taking a look at UNSHIFT. So let's just hop right into our editor and get right into it. All right, so UNSHIFT, the UNSHIFT method adds one or more elements to the beginning of an array. UNSHIFT does modify the original array in place, so yes, it does mutate it. It can add multiple elements at once, preserving their order, so that's pretty handy. And the method returns the updated length of the array, not the array itself, so something to keep in mind. For our first example, let's just add numbers to the start of an array. This should be really simple. Let's say we have const numbers here. We've got 3, 4, 5. We'll take numbers down here. We're gonna hit it with our UNSHIFT method, and then let's just pass in 2 more numbers. We'll do 1 and 2. This should work. Let's just log this to the console so we can see it, and there we have it. There is our new array. Instead of just 3, 4, 5, we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's adding numbers to the start of an array. Next up, let's prepend a new user object to a user list. Let's say we have const users and we have 2 objects in here, each with a name key, and that key's value is just a string. It's just a person's name. Super straightforward. So let's take our users variable. We're gonna hit it with our UNSHIFT array method, and then we're just gonna pass it a new user object. This person will just be Zara. So let's see if that worked. And all right, nice. We've got 3 objects in here now. Let's open this up. Perfect. Instead of Alice and Bob, we now have Zara, Alice, and Bob. And we see here, of course, it gets added to the beginning. So that's basically just adding a new object to an array of objects. And for our last example, let's work with strings, and let's add a greeting to a list of chat messages. We'll have const messages here. It's just an array of strings. Take messages, hit it with our UNSHIFT method, and let's just pass it hello. Let's see what this gives us. And nice, we see our hello string there in our array. Of course, it's added to the very beginning. That's the whole point of UNSHIFT. And we now have hello, how are you, and what's up. And that's gonna do it for UNSHIFT. Pretty straightforward. Definitely be sure to like this if you found this helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.